What is up, everybody? Listen, I am sure we all had that time, all right? Where we like, you know what, I got a new job. We all got the call and somebody said, congratulations, you got the job, and you're so ecstatic, you're happy. You go ahead, you're just having a hard time falling asleep because you're just thinking about how is my first day going to go. You have your first day goes great. Second day goes awesome. Third day, you couldn't have had a better time, okay? First week goes by, you're loving your coworkers. Now let's fast forward to 6 months from then, you hate the job, okay? You hate the job, and most importantly, you're like, dang, like, could I get paid a little bit more? Like, I think I underestimated this paycheck now, okay? Because I could use a couple more coins here. And you're like, you know what? I dread getting my paycheck because no matter how many hours I work, the money's not enough. You're not the only person that thinks that. And if you think that, it's okay. Welcome to the club. All right. And I used to think that too. I remember having a point to where every 2 weeks I was getting paid $840, and that was not enough. Okay, it was not enough. And no matter how much you get paid, I get paid a good amount every 2 weeks, okay? But it's not enough. I start to not like just getting paid a certain amount every week, because it's like eventually you get tired of seeing that same exact number or having a ceiling to where you can't go higher and you keep smacking it. It sucks. It sucks. And it's something you can stop, okay? So it's like, if it sucks and it's something you can stop, let's get into it. You know what I mean? So I'm going to give you guys 8 things and 8 hacks or whatever you want to call it that you can actually do right now with your paycheck that you get to make more money. And this gives you unlimited opportunities to be able to make money. These hacks are going to help you, give you ideas to start brainstorming, even get you in the field of making more money. Now, let me explain something to you. These hacks are literally geared towards making your money work for you. When you get a paycheck, the reason why you feel like you're still broke after you pay your bills is because you're doing your money the wrong way. You're handling your money so wrong, it's not even funny, all right? Number one, we gotta start looking at money like it's a breathing, living organism. I don't think of my money, okay? This dollar, okay? This dollar right here, I'm not thinking of this dollar as just a piece of paper. What I'm thinking of this dollar as a living, breathing organism, a pet. Let's just say this is Tommy, okay? We got Tommy right here. Now, since Tommy is right here, I can do 1 or 2 things with Tommy. I can sit there and say, hey, Tommy, welcome to the family. Go ahead and go into my account. Or what I can do is I say, okay, Tommy, listen, welcome to the family. You're going to do your part here, buddy. You're going to do your part. So Tommy's going to do his part. Now, what is Tommy going to do? I am the boss, Tommy. Me, I'm the boss, okay? All right, I see you, George. I see you, buddy, and I'm the boss. Now, I'm going to put Tommy to work for me. So what am I going to put this dollar to do, right? This dollar is going to go towards a product, okay? Now, I don't have the dollar no more. Instead, I have a product. Now, I turned the dollar into a product that now I can sell for more. And now, instead of just getting that $1, so instead of him just working for me and just being one, now he done brought Ron in town. He done brought Ron in town now. Once I sold that adapter, now I got the Jacksons, okay? I got the Jackson 5, even though it's 3. You know what I mean? Let me get a couple more. All right, you know what I mean? Here, now I got the Jackson 5, okay? Now I got the Jackson 5. And that is the most important thing, and that's what you need to be doing with your paycheck. If you're not doing that with your paycheck, that is the reason you're struggling, the reason why you're frustrated, the reason why you feel like you're just in a rat race, the reason why you feel like you're just literally sitting there on a hamster wheel running, because you're doing everything great. You have a work ethic. You get up every morning, you go to work, right? You're not fired, hopefully. You know what I mean? If you are fired, we could talk about that in another video. But in this video, you ain't fired, okay? So you're not fired, right? You still employed. So that means you're doing your job. You're doing your job. Again, no offense if you fired. If you fired, you still did a good job. They just lost out. But regardless, it's like understand this. You're doing a good job if they're paying you for something. If they're paying you $1, you're still doing a good job. Now it's more so, how you gonna get mad at them for paying you what they felt like you're worth and what you agreed you were worth? How you gonna get mad at them? You can't get mad at agreeing to somebody that you're worth $13 an hour. I wish somebody would ask me what I'm worth. $1 million a minute, $1 million a minute. That's what I'm worth. Don't ask me what I'm worth. I'm priceless. You're priceless. So you have to do your due diligence, and you have a job to make sure that Bob, Tom, Ronnie, and John works for you. Okay? Now, these are the hacks that you can do to make sure that they work for you. Number one, you can start it off really, really easy, and you can start literally just selling on selling apps. Now, hey Brandon, how am I getting my products? Duh, go to imhustlersmindset.com. Of course, go down, links below. I'm actually about to separate the websites. My e-products and all my digital products are gonna be on one website. My electronics gonna be on another one. That's besides the point. Y'all know I like to ramble. But back to the subject. You need to go and buy products, okay? Now, my website has products for $2, $2.50, $3.50, everything. You get wholesale, okay? You get the wholesale price, okay? And you'll be able to make money that way effectively, okay? You heard me, effectively. You'll be able to literally turn your money into more money. That means if you have $1 and you put that $1 into a product, okay? And then you put this product on a selling app. It's on the app. Imagine this is like the phone screen. It's on the app, okay? It's on the app. Now that it's on the app, now you can go to work and start making some more money because you really didn't lose this money. This money's still here. You didn't lose the money now. You literally could sit there, have this working for you while you're at work. Now you ain't working alone. You may live alone. Your husband or your wife may not work right now. That's okay. Or if they do, I'm sorry, husband and wife. But your kids may be sitting there eating up all the food, but now you got some help. Now you got some help. You got Ron, Tom, John, and Harry and Jane working for you, okay? And you're putting it on selling apps. The next thing you can do is create a website, a Shopify website, same exact concept, making money work for you, buying socks, whatever products you want to sell, buy them and flip them and make them work for you. It is too easy, guys, for you to make them work for you. You just have to understand the concepts and the terminology that you want to set forth, and you want to put yourself in the shoes of a boss, okay? And think of your money as the employee. Would you want your employee to just sit down in a room? Just sit in the room until you're ready to use them? No! So why are you saving money in a savings account? Why? That doesn't make sense. It don't make sense. I ain't gonna lie to you, it don't make sense. Sorry, like, I got my stragglers. It's like, oh my God, Brandon, I gotta save. Yeah, you gotta save and be broke. That's being broke. Saving, putting your money into a savings account and not letting that money move is going to make you broke. Oh, I'm just saving it for a rainy day. You think you're gonna have one rainy day, bro? You're gonna have multiple rainy days. All right, it's a song by Russ called Waves. Listen to it. Sometimes you got your ups and your downs, okay? You got your ups and your downs, ups and your downs. You need money for more and more rainy days. This money gonna be here. All right, it's gonna be here. It's gonna be here. You're investing in assets. You're not investing in something that's just gonna take your money and never come back. That's the difference. All right, that's the difference. The next thing is becoming a reseller. All right, so figuring out what type of niche you want to get into and actually reselling whatever that product is in your niche. Making that one is, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, you know, I might be a little biased, but that works, okay? Being a reseller works. All of these sound the same, I know, because of course, y'all know exactly how I feel about reselling and making money. Y'all know how I feel. Y'all know I feel like money is supposed to work for you. It's on my cover art as well. Make money work for you, because that's literally all of the tips. Make money work for you, but I got another one. It's also providing people with your services. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. So let's just say I'm a business owner, okay? We gonna act like I'm not Brandon, okay? I'm not B, I'm not Educated Hustler, I'm not Hustler. My name is Kenny. My name's Kenny. Okay, refer to me for this video as Kenny. Okay, I'm Kenny, and Kenny has a store. And you're Peter. Okay, if you're a girl, you're Petrette. Okay, Peter or Petrette. I think Petrette sounds like a more of a feminine name. Okay, that's it. But you can be Peter if you want, vice versa. Nevertheless, your name. You don't have no job, but you can fix phones upside down, all around, on cars, on planes. You know how to fix phones. You need to say, okay, I got a job. But you want to know something? I eventually would get off this job. And I'll also have an off day. So why not figure out how I can put what I'm good at and use it to help somebody? Because maybe if I help them, they'll want to hire me and I can leave this dump. Yeah, y'all get where I'm going. Make sure you're offering people your services, whatever you're good at, because I know you're talented. I can see it in your eyes. I know you're talented. You just have to figure out how to get it to the right person. Don't ever walk up to somebody and try to get them to do something for you. Always propose that you're going to do something for them first. Once you do that, the options are limitless. They're going to be wild. I promise you guys. I promise. Don't ever go up to a successful person, say, oh my God, can you help me get a job, Brandon? Brandon, can you help me get a job? I need a job. No, go to the person and be like, hey, listen, I know you got this going on and I can do this. If you ever need me, here's my business card. I guarantee you'll get a call. The next thing is going to be phone flipping, of course. That's easy. You at work, I don't care if you work at Walmart, if you work at Wells Fargo, Wawa. Some of y'all might not have Wawa, because I know I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? I ain't bigging your guy up. You know what I mean? I don't got the views to show it, but you know what I mean? People do know me, you know what I mean, around the world, you know. I mean, I don't know what y'all got in London. I don't know what y'all got in Canada, but listen, you feel me? Whatever y'all got, you work there, okay? And you could be behind the counter just looking up on OfferUp different phones around you. And once you start looking that stuff up, it's like, oh, okay. All right, this person's selling an iPhone for 150. Hey, Bob, Tom, Rob, John, come on, it's time to go to work. Send that 150 to that person. Go ahead, sell that iPhone 11 for X amount and make Ron, John, Tom, Bob some babies. Make them some more money and make them quadruple, okay? And that is going to be more money. Our last one, okay? Our last one is going to be making sure you're buying assets. Now, buying assets does not mean you need to resell it. I'm gonna say it again. Buying assets does not mean you need to resell it. What the heck does that mean, hustler? I'm gonna tell you what it means. It means you can literally go ahead and you can buy a painting, or you can buy a game system like a PS5, right? So when the PS5 first came out, if you were wanting to go ahead and buy 5 of them, knowing that I wanted one, but you sat there and bought it, you could literally hold that PS5 as an asset and wait until people really want it, and then sell it. Buy assets, let them increase in value, and then sell that thing. Sell that thing. That's an easy way to make money. So guys, thank you so much as always for tuning into the video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.